Hi everybody, for those of you who follow my channel, you'll know that we do clean upholstery. This particular piece of upholstery is a quality two-seater sofa. Customers purchased it from Facebook, and this isn't your average kind of high street DFS SES quality. This is actually made from cotton linen, and it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. And as you can see, we have an area here that we have cleaned, and we have an area that is awaiting cleaning. I just wanted to show you the difference. We've come to the end of this job now. Everything's been deep cleaned, and it needs time now to dry. This particular type of fabric will take pretty much all day to dry. We've opened some windows and we have used some speed dryers, but it's still quite damp, and that's because we've had to flush a lot of the dirt that was in the fabric. So you remember how this looked before. That arm was just thick with dirt and stains from coffee down here. We've managed to reduce the staining, and also around here on this arm here, and down here where there was some water damage. Okay. We can't make it look new. Obviously it does have imperfections here. It's burnt, but we have flushed out all the dirt from the previous owner. We've refreshed the fabric. It's now, or it will be once it's dry, safe to use. Okay, and we've breathed a little bit of life into it.